Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create those wavy, curvy, very trendy words right in Canva for free. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. Of course, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to canva.com, click Create a Design, and for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to do a Facebook post. I want to add a little bit of color to the background, so I'm just going to click Background and the color palette up here and scroll all the way down to the gradients because you know I love a gradient. This option is beautiful and bright and colorful. We're going with it. Now I'm going to click on text and add a heading. I'll change the font to white because I love a white font against this background. And for this example, I'm just gonna type out my name and show you how this works with all of the text in one text box. So you'll select the text, click Effects, and scroll down to the bottom where it says Curve. And then you can see you can use the slider to adjust the curve, and you can even make it a complete circle if that's your jam. But this is not curvy. This is not a wavy word. So what I need to do is break this up into separate text boxes. So I'm putting my first name in one. I'm just going to copy and paste that text box, put my middle name here, and do a third text box and put my last name in this one. And I'll space them out a little bit. And then I'll go back to Effects and I will adjust the curve. So I will just do the opposite number on this one. So I have it at 43 and this one's already at 43 in the other direction. And then you just kind of have to zhuzh it to make it work and make it look the way you want it to. So you can see here that Autumn and Seavey are similar lengths, but Hicks is too short. So you really need to evenly space the letters. So what I'm going to do here is, let's try something else. I'm going to type catch a wave, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm including the spaces, so 12. Half of that is 6, including that space. So I'm just going to highlight a wave, copy it, add a new text box, make it the same font size, and there we go. So I kept the space in there, and now I'm going to go to Effects, Curve, and Effects, Curve the opposite direction. So it was on 100. I'm going to make it 64, and then I will change this one to 64, or 80, excuse me, 80, and I'll change that one to 80. And place it where I want it. I can select it and then use my up and down arrows and side to side arrows to really get a better idea of where I'm placing it, because when you use the arrows, it takes away the outline so you can easily see what's going on. And so then what I did here was I highlighted both of them just by clicking and dragging across the words. It highlighted both of them so I can move them at the same time. So now I want to add another curve to the equation. So what I'm going to do is just copy this text box and paste it and change the words. So then I'll select it, Effects, go down, it's already on curve, and I'm going to adjust it to 80 on the other side and drag it up to where I want it. And I can select the whole thing and use the little turn dial to change the angle of all of my text at the same time. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!